Perflexity AI is an advanced artificial intelligence model designed to tackle complex problems by analyzing vast amounts of data. Imagine a super smart assistant that can understand, learn, and make decisions based on the information it processes. For example, in healthcare, Perflexity AI can analyze patient data to predict diseases and suggest treatments. In finance, it can forecast market trends and guide investment decisions. And in customer service, it can provide quick and accurate responses to customer queries. But how does it work? Perflexity AI uses machine learning algorithms to find patterns and insights from the data. The more data it processes, the smarter it gets. In addition to its practical applications, Perflexity AI is also designed with ethical considerations in mind. It's built to ensure data privacy and security, making it a reliable tool for sensitive industries. Another cool aspect is how Perflexity AI collaborates with humans. It enhances human capabilities rather than replacing them. Moreover, Perflexity AI is being used in environmental conservation efforts. It can analyze climate data, predict natural disasters, and suggest measures to mitigate their impact. In a nutshell, Perplexity AI is about leveraging data to solve complex problems efficiently and effectively. It's reshaping industries and making our lives easier in countless ways. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights. See you next time.